For over 100 years, Adventist education has been present in India. The people of India view Adventist schools here as institutions of high-quality training, and the school system is also respected for the moral and ethical value it offers its students. These Adventist schools in India, like many others, are missionary schools. When the majority of the students arrive here, they don't know Jesus. But through the years, they experience the love and grace of Christ firsthand. A late Adventist school served the children of this community for 70 years.
Our education system is a Christ-centered system where we, through the textbooks, pass on the message or pass on the good news of the Lord Savior Jesus Christ, who saves you. This goes into the house of multiple families, and we are privileged that we have an entry to get into their house through the printed books.
This quality education attracts many families who want the best for their children. The teachers also place special emphasis on character development. Abraham has been a student here since he was 7 years old. He didn't come from an Adventist family, and there wasn't even a school in his village. He has lived in the 18-boy dormitory longer than anyone else on campus, 9 years now. During this time, his teachers encouraged him to study hard and strive to do his best. He has also learned to play the guitar. When he first arrived, Abraham was very shy. But now he's more confident and makes friends quickly. Throughout the years, he took the good principles from Bible stories to heart and is now living a Christian lifestyle. Each day, students and teachers gather for a morning devotional. Later, they have time for studying, playing, and even learning how to cook. Abraham regularly attends morning worship, and in his spare time, he likes to read the Bible and pray with his friends in the dormitory. Today, the All-Late Adventist School enrolls 225 students. It's practically bursting at the seams. The lack of space is one challenge, but another is that the buildings are old and run down. Many students from nearby villages would like to study here, but the school cannot accept any new enrollment in the current conditions. The students, faculty, and parents in the surrounding community hope to see a new building constructed. A location has already been selected and plans are underway. This building will create 14 new classrooms to provide children with quality Christian education. This quarter, your 13 Sabbath offerings will help them break ground on the new building. Please pray for this Adventist school and for the thousands of young people like Abraham who seek education and better opportunities in life. And thank you for your support of Adventist Mission.